Hello guys, so today we will learn how to insert arrows in graph using Origin. So first we will open the Origin. I am using OriginPro. You can use any version of Origin. Then open the datasheet. Click the type of file. Open the file. Yeah, no file is open. So first we will draw the graph. For example, I am choosing this x-axis and y-axis. I just make my graph. Yeah, so you can adjust the axis if you like from 0 to 1000 and vertical from 0 to 10, for example. Okay, you can do anything you like. Now graph is ready, so we need to insert the arrows, and we will look at left hand side, and there is a bar with multiple options. So here you can see there is one arrow tool. On left hand side, this is arrow tools, which is used to draw an arrow on the window. So we can click this. You can see there is a straight arrow or there is a curved arrow tool. So I will show you both. First we will choose the straight arrow. Click this and click anywhere. So the arrow is here. If you want another arrow, just click this and again draw an arrow. Okay, so this is how we insert the arrow. Now we want to make this arrow thick or with the different styles, different head, different tails. We will click on the arrow and right click properties, or we will double click on the arrow. It will also open the object properties of arrow. So first property is about the line of the arrow, which is the color. Let's choose the red. No, it will be the red. The width is 0.5, so we can choose like 3. And third thing is type is solid line. We can choose dash line. Let's choose short dot lines or short dash. Yeah, so this is the line properties we have chosen. And here is transparency. You can set according to your requirement. Let's see how these changes affect how it looks like. Yeah, so it's red with dash lines and thick. Let's choose other properties. Other properties are about arrow. So the beginning should be line shape. We can also choose, let's choose this shape, small dot. Okay, then you can also choose the width of dot. For example, I will choose very big one, and similarly length. And the end of the arrow is just like arrow, or let's change to this one, and this is the dimensions. You can choose anyone. Let's see how it affects. You can see it's a small circle at the end, and at the head there is the different kind of arrow. Again double click, and you can choose also dimensions according to your requirement: resizing, rotating, point edits, and horizontal or vertical movements. And there are also some options about the programmings. Depends on your requirement. So today we learned how to insert an arrow in the origin graph. Similarly, you can play with this arrow. If you want to move this arrow, you can just click and move. If you want to rotate this arrow, you can choose this end and move like this. Okay, so you can play with this to learn more. So after inserting the arrow, what you can do, just copy the graph, right click, copy graph as image, choose the format of image and copy, and then go to the PowerPoint and insert the graph. Now you can see the arrows are on the graph in Origin. So that's all. Thank you very much.